trade over the years is just going to balloon and escalate. It always has. It's not going away. It's feeding the nation through that corridor. So those truck movements that just continue to grow have an impact on the communities.
Goods movement is extremely important in the Gateway Cog and the cities. The 710, 605, the 91, the 405, all the freeways are heavily impacted by the freight.
What are the impacts and how are they mitigated? That's really difficult for you to answer. You can answer it from your own vision by the city, but to look at it by multiple cities is more difficult. The communities within the gateway cities are obviously active and concerned and watching what the program means. So having zero-emission trucks in the corridor is really the solution.
The 710 project is the first freeway in America to consider moving trucks without polluting neighborhoods. It really is a paradigm shift because a lot of communities have seen with the growth of the goods movement, a deterioration in their quality of life. And by moving goods without polluting neighborhoods, we'll have that win-win where we can have the jobs, have the growth, have the benefits of regional goods movement, but without hurting quality of life, and particularly without hurting air quality.
You know, the more I meet with the cities, that they're excited about it and they enjoy working with the other cities and their neighbors to figure out a better solution.
And so we're trying to understand the dynamics of that industry, what the ports are planning, and then to develop the appropriate highway network to continue the livability that Gateway Cities communities expect.
The Clean Trucks program has been phenomenal. In the last 5 to 6 years, we've reduced truck pollution 90%. And I think if you look at other industries, there's not an industry in America that's done that kind of radical improvement. So I am very proud of what we have already done. And the truth is you can double or triple volumes and still be down in terms of emissions with that kind of reduction.
Part of our program involves evaluating new technology, particularly with respect to goods movement and trucking and how truck drivers communicate with marine terminals, so the trucks are not delayed waiting to get into the terminal, and it will also allow truckers to understand the congestion downstream so that they can potentially take different routes.
So we're on the cutting edge of developing the system of autonomous and connected vehicles along the I-710 corridor. Putting more throughput within the same lane is one of the elements that we're looking at as kind of our transportation technology solutions. It's not building capacity, it's enhancing the capacity.
This is not about tomorrow's technology, this is about today's technology and how do we get that technology on the road in a way that's financially feasible, in a way that's really well thought out.
So that's why each of the pieces that we build are consistent with the ultimate vision and plan. And it's really exciting. That program is going to take us into the next century.